Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy. We're rolling on vans today, January 2019. I've got a Revel left. I've got one. This is it. Come on, take a look. Now you do remember, or maybe you don't know, there's going to be none of these for about 5 months. The new 2019 chassis coming out. We're going to experience about a $10,000 upcharge. There are some features. Contact me. I can send you all the upgrades. It's about 5 pages. I'd be happy to do it. Right here we're going to start, and I'm not going to do the full demo, but I'll give you the main. You take 2 cushions up there. This makes into a single bed, so you have a sleeping place for a third person, for a youngster, but better than nothing. Battery disconnect switch is right here. Your awning, lights for your awning, light switch, tank fill. This is a outdoor table, and the leg screws on here. And then with this down, that gives you another little storage if you wanted to use it for that as well. So we've got a nice spacious bed in the back. If you take a look, go in and take a look at that. I had a 6'5" gentleman get in there and he fit with room. So the bed I'm moving up right now. We're getting to pack up everything. We're going to run the bed all the way up. That gives us a real spacious area to store a lot of stuff. You can bring an onboard generator with you, bikes, wood, etc. Plenty of storage here in the back. You see you got your outdoor shower back there too. There's tie downs to secure your load down below. We've got power strips for hooking up your iPads and stuff. That's why they're not putting in a TV or anything, because a lot of people have that and they can just wire it right in. We're going to take a look at the closet, bathroom, shower. Release this button here. So this shows it all in use. We've got all our shelves in place. So if you want to use this for a closet, a shower, and of course a toilet, you can take these shelves out and adjust how to your liking. It's a cassette toilet. You have to take it out and dump it. And plenty of lights, good hanger, exhaust fan up above. And then we'll lock it up there. Table leg, as I mentioned, is right here, easily found. It's a compressor refrigerator. A little one, freezer up on top. It's got all the heating for your water, and your heat runs off diesel. So you're carrying your fuel supply and your tank for your engine. Nice little table pops up. Double pane windows. They do pop out, and you have a choice of privacy or a bug screen. Both seats swivel. Let me pop the driver's seat around. Driver's seat moves back just a little bit. There we go. So you have a table here, so you can easily accommodate 3 adults or 2 adults and a couple kids. They're going to sleep outside anyway, so at least our grandsons do. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel, 5-speed transmission. It's got high and low range where your four-wheel drive. They've already mounted the largest tires a Mercedes-Benz will allow on their chassis. You're pretty much set. 4-wheel drive, you're going to have to almost stop. So you might as well stop if you want to put it into 4-wheel drive. That way you won't have to worry about gooking something up. Let's pop outside. We'll take a spin around, turn the battery off, do have a power awning that does have the wind sensor. Pair of mirrors on both sides. This is a decal. If you don't like it, we can take it off. 5,000 pounds towing capacity. Already has the wiring, backup camera, and it's got its great luggage rack with a ladder. The ladder can be removed, put on either side of the unit to access the top for a storage pod, a kayak rack, surfboard rack, ski rack, or just to go up and do some service up on top. And as we saw inside, here's your big storage area, your power strips, electrical outlets. Does have an inverter built in. If you want serious short power, you're going to have to bring a generator. 110 hookup, sewer dump, city water fill, and on all Mercedes, behind the driver's door is where you fill your fuel. If you have any questions, yes, I'd like you to call me. I'm the van guy. Call me at 541-554-9581. My email's also on the screen. Shoot it to me. I'd be loving to work with you. I appreciate your time.